Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and the truck just arrived at Dollar Tree with more fun items that you need to look out for on your next shopping trip. So no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. I'm starting off in the kitchen items, and look what I have spotted. Disney name brand kitchen bowls. These are the Disney licensed bowls. This one has Winnie the Pooh on it. You can see this is a large melamine bowl, perfect for almost anything that you want to eat in the kitchen. They have a couple of different styles, and here's the one with little clips of all of the Disney characters, almost like giving that film or film strip type of vibe. This is also another one in the collection. And then the last one is really cute. I love this classic Minnie and Mickey design on this one. Now, I did only find 3 at my Dollar Tree, but there could be more out there. So definitely be on the lookout for these really gorgeous pieces. Also, while I was on that kitchen aisle, look what I found hiding behind a display. More of those wood mason jar ball lids. So always move things around. You might find what you've been looking for. In the craft section, I found more of those iron-on patches, and these are the ones that are stitched that look like Leatherman jacket patches. So they had Salty. This one is Sassy with that gold trim. Here's one that says Besties. I thought that one was really cute. And then the last one was Love in the pink and red design. These are really great iron-on items for personalized gifts. Also, while in this section, I saw them restock these disco tiles. They were gone for months at my store. These are the mirrored peel and stick tiles that you could use for a ton of different DIYs. And of course, I had to hunt for more fabric, and I found it. These are the fabric rolls and more of a neutral type of design. So I love that green plaid with leaves. They have a white with gray stripes. Now, these are all flannel material, perfect for baby items or soft items. They also have some regular type of plaids and some really bold ones as well, like this one. I think this would be a great item to make a small little blanket for a neutral, gender neutral type of theme. Really cute. They even have plaid with a little green on there. Check out this gray one with all kinds of little deer outlines and leaf outlines, and then hiding in the back I saw these deer and these trees. So I love this whole neutral theme, perfect for a little quilted gift. Now, I have seen these laser cut wood items at the Dollar Tree before, but you can use these for so many things. Earrings, you could use them for ornaments, accessories for other projects. They have shapes and they have words. So many things you could do with these items. Another item that I did see down the aisle from the craft section are these LED plastic roses. I have not seen these before. These actually do light up. They're made out of a white plastic, and the battery does come in each one of these. Now, I did flip one over and turn it on. You could see it does have a really light glow. So you could do that for all 4 of these and make a pretty table collage. This was a surprise to see back because this sold out so quick. So these are those ceramic wood looking containers. They also have the metal trim on them, stuffed full of succulents. These are so really heavy and great quality. You guys, you want to grab these. These are only $1.25 for these. Over in Health and Beauty, I finally found the new shower gels, the Santal Woods, the Amber Rouge, and also the Brazilian Mist. I have not seen these yet, so I'm so glad to finally find them. And look, they have deodorant to coordinate with it. There's only 2 left on the shelf. These items are definitely selling quick, so you need to grab them when you do see them. This was another new item. These are the 24 pack of the Summer's Eve brand wipes. You guys are starting to get more and more name brands at the Dollar Tree, and I am here for it. They also have some wipes with the Dollar Tree scents. This one is a Cherry Merlot Dream. They also have this other one with the Rosé Champagne. So be on the lookout for these. They just put all these wipes on the shelf. They also had some name brand hair care products. Now, this is by the Headquarters brand. If you look, this is the Sunshine shampoo, soft shine shampoo, and they also have this one, the coordinating conditioner. Now these do sell for much more online at other locations, a steal at $125. Now that wasn't the only thing. They did have another headquarters item, and that was this. This is an exfoliating polish, like for your hair and scalp. This is a nice size container, really nice product. Definitely one you probably want to grab to try out if you are interested. I did see one more. This one was the deep scalp exfoliating scrub. This is especially for a lot of buildup and oily scalp. This is one if you need that intense clarification of your scalp. Another great item at the Dollar Tree that is a steal at $125. Now I did see these two, first item that I've seen in a Valentine's theme. These are bath bombs. They have this version, which is an XO, hugs and kisses. And then they have this one, which is a large love shaped bath bomb. Really nice things. Starting to see those Valentine's things show up. So I did see another bath bomb. This is huge, you guys. It's called a boyfriend bath bomb, which is really interesting. So first of all, it does have a huge size, but it says inside, once it dissolves, there is a drink charm inside. How neat is that? So it's like the prize at the end, I guess. So if you look here, you could see all the little drink charms that are included. So it could be any one of those in this bath bomb. Also in health and beauty, they have the double pack of beauty blenders in this cute little iridescent clear pouch. I thought these were neat, great to keep them nice and secure. I saw two different colors, combinations at my store. Now, I've been hearing a ton of great things about this detangling brush, so I'm so glad that I finally found it. So these are a soft bristle detangling brush. I mean, the reviews on this are really, really great. They just put them out at my store, and I did grab a couple to try out. I will let you guys know how it works out on my curly hair. Now, I saw a bunch of lip masks as well. So they have the lemon sorbet. They do have a peach cobbler. Here's one in sweet mint. They have the green one, which is an apple martini, and a lavender honey. Now, I've been hearing a lot from people that they're not getting my notifications, but I wanted to let you know, if you are subscribed, this is how you turn those on. You want to go to your profile page and click the gear in the top right-hand corner, scroll down until you see notifications, click that, and then you're going to see subscriptions. Make sure that button is turned on, and you should be able to see all of my content if you are subscribed to my channel. So let's get back to shopping. We are in the section where they have the stationery and school supplies, and I spotted these Lisa Frank stickers. This is so nostalgic for me. I remember this back in the day. It was Lisa Frank everything in elementary school, so I'm surprised to see this item at the Dollar Tree. They also have these large stickers. I mean, well, not stickers, these are erasers. So these are large erasers, Mike and Ike flavors, Jolly Rancher, Bubble Yum. They have the Twizzler, all of our favorite candies in a large eraser. Now, I don't know if I can make that many mistakes to actually use this eraser all the way up, but you know, it's a fun item to have. And if you're collecting these are great to have as gifts and stocking stuffers. Do you guys remember Old Maid? I may be telling my age here, but I remember back in the late 70s and 80s playing this game with family. They do have these 3-part collections in the card playing section at the Dollar Tree. Really fun games. They come with playing games, matching games, learning games, sight words, all kinds of things. And I saw 3 different collections with 3 different games, so be on the lookout for that. In the food section, they have these sewing supply tins. I'm sorry, they are shortbread tins, but we always expect sewing supplies to be in those, right? But these are butter shortbread cookies in these metal tins. They also have the shortbread cookies in the regular packaging if you prefer that and not a tin. So be on the lookout for these at the Dollar Tree. They just put these out near the food section and Christmas items. Look what they have also, Pocky sticks. I actually love these, and you rarely see them at Dollar Tree. They did have the chocolate Pocky sticks. They had the strawberry Pocky sticks, and then they have these with the cookies and cream. You could throw these into a gift basket or a Christmas stocking. If you're looking for a protein boost, Dollar Tree has these Kellogg's brand protein bars and chocolate peanut butter. They do have 12 grams of protein. They say they are protein meal bars. So if you're on that journey to increase your protein, cut back on eating or anything like that, definitely check those out for $1.25. On to the pet section. I've seen the York Peppermint Patty squishy squeaky toy, but I have not seen the Jolly Rancher or the Bubble Yum version. They were definitely new to me, but I did want to let you know they do have those versions of the squeaky toy for your little ones. They also have this one for the little pets. This is a dog toy by Spot. This is from the Sensations line. So I'm noticing they're getting a lot of these name brand pet toys at the Dollar Tree. So be sure to check those out for your fur babies. Now, to put everything in that you saw today, use these little nesting containers from the Dollar Tree. I think that these gift boxes are so really cute. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to show you today. The first thing being this magnetic sculpture. I usually see these on a lot of desks. This would be a great gift for like a coworker to sit on their desk. A really neat item for only $5. Another thing that I'm seeing are a lot of really neat toys. So they have this memory game, flashing game at the Dollar Tree. This reminds me a lot of the Simon game that we used to have back in the day. And you could get that for only $5. Another thing that they have is kind of reminiscent of Nerf. If you have ever had a foam dart like Nerf toy, they have this. It has little floating balls and the little foam darts. These are only $5. Now, the great thing about all these little gifts is that they're so inexpensive. You could get these to donate. I love that. So you could get a bunch of these to donate to a good cause, give them as gifts to family, friends, and other relatives if you want. So you could pick a few of these up and drop them off. Most dollar stores have the donation boxes in the stores. Just ask. Now check this out. They have this popping Trouble game in the Ninja Turtles version. I remember playing Trouble back in the 80s. You guys, I loved this game. And who remembers a Light Bright? Well, Dollar Tree has their own version called 3D Magic Light Panel. This one's also just $5. You can't beat the price for a lot of these full-size games. Now this is fun too. You can get you and your buddy to play this popping basketball hoop game. I love these two competitive panels where you could play against another player. Really neat. This one's also just $5. And who doesn't love Play-Doh? Play-Doh is that nostalgic thing that always comes around every year. They have so many versions. They even have the Play-Doh kitchen collection. You can also make Play-Doh food, which we all used to love. Here's the taco version of that. Really fun. They even have Play-Doh with glitter now. These are all $5. Now they did have a larger one next to it that was the Dollar Tree version, the kitty dough version, but this does have a larger piece in it. You guys check all these out. These are great family fun gifts or even for donation. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, last week, I had a giveaway of the Oasis Storage Collection at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up a few more for another giveaway. Now, I will be giving away a set of 4 items to 2 lucky winners. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, just leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, December 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, December 18th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a snowflake emoji or the word snowflake in the comment along with today's answer to the question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Now, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.